How to see who liked you on Tinder. So if you want to see who liked you on Tinder, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Tinder. So go with tinder.com, and under your tinder.com here you will have your likes section, right? So if you click on the likes, then you will see all of the persons who liked you. But if it's blurred, now if it's blurred and if you don't have any other option to see the blur, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a new tab, and on the new tab you need to search for Tampermonkey. Once you search for the Tampermonkey, you will have it like this. Here you will have the Chrome Web Store. You just need to simply click on the Chrome Web Store, Tampermonkey, and it will take you to this kind of interface. And go with Add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and then you need to add the extension. Once you've added the extension, just wait for a bit and go with the extensions, which is on the top right, and then you need to pin the Tampermonkey. Once you pin that, now you need to go back. You need to go with a new tab, and you need to enter github.com/tajnymag/Tinder dblur, and then hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have how to use. So you need to go with the second step and click on this link option. Once you click on this link here, you will have an option to install that, right? So you just need to simply click on install, and it might take a few minutes. So once it's installed, you can go with the extension, which is on the top right, and then go with your Tampermonkey. And here you will have the dashboard section. Click on dashboard, and you will have the Tinder deblur. So you just need to simply enable that. It will already be enabled. So if it's enabled, just keep it as it is. Now once you've done with it, you just need simply to remove all of the other tabs right here, and then go with your Tinder tab. Now you need to refresh your page, and once you refresh, you can go with likes and just wait for a minute to load, and you will have all of the information on who liked you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.